Maybe someone you know feels like their memory is waning or their cognitive performance is dropping. One way to uncover that is to look at brainwaves and a possible solution with 40 Hz light therapy. But how does 40 Hz light therapy stimulate the brain? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Martin. I have a master's degree in physics and nanotechnology from the Technical University of Denmark, and I specialize in the LED technology used in light therapy devices. Your brain consists of billions of neurons that activate with small electrical signals. Your neurons can fire up to 50 times a second. Like a bunch of sports fans in a stadium, the neurons in your brain behave similarly. They activate when nearby neurons activate and can create a wave. And in your brain, a wave can be created that oscillates backwards and forwards. These waves are characterized by their frequency, or in other words, how often the neurons activate and have to stand up and do the wave. From 1 activation per second up to 50 activations per second, these wave frequencies are split up into different categories. You have slow delta and theta waves, you have the faster alpha and beta waves, and finally you have the fastest gamma waves. Gamma waves are super interesting. Gamma waves are the fastest brain waves and have been associated with higher cognitive functions, including memory consolidation, information processing, and a heightened awareness. These waves frequently occur in moments of deep focus, peak performance, and episodes of revelation. It is actually possible to increase the amount of gamma waves generated in your brain. But how? With 40 Hz light therapy. 40 Hz light therapy is optimized to the tune of the gamma waves oscillations in your brain. In the back of your eye, you have millions of photoreceptors ready to absorb incoming light. And by sending light into your eye that alternates 40 Hz a second, the same pattern emerges from the photoreceptors. They are activated 40 times a second. Like the dedicated group of sports fans in a stadium, the photoreceptors in the eye can activate this 40 Hz gamma wave oscillation in the brain, sending the signal from the eye to the visual cortex, and from there to the rest of the brain. So the question is, does it work? Can you really entrain and start this gamma wave oscillation with 40 Hz light therapy? At Optosodics, they have developed and patented the technology invisible spectral flicker, which greatly reduces the perceived flicker. And they have found a significant increase in cognitive performance using their light therapy device called EVY Light. That means that it works. It cannot be understated how incredible that is. That is crazy to me. Anyway, thanks for watching. It has been insanely exciting.